Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off Wi-Fi internet in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn off our Wi-Fi, we simply swipe from the top, and here we have our option to turn our network off. But if you want to turn off it permanently, we need to forget the network. Passwords, etc. So we have to go to settings, connections here, and here we have our internet. We tap it once and we are connected to this one. So this cog here, and we have forget option. We choose this one option, and our password is now erased from the phone. The device won't connect automatically or manually until we enter our password. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.